If you want a cost-effective, hard surface that stands up to kids and pets with generally less upkeep than traditional hardwood, installing laminate flooring is a great option. You will need finish nails, wood putty, plastic sheeting, rubber mallet and/or a tapping block, spacers, utility knife, gloves, chop saw, tape measure. You'll also need a circular saw and a jigsaw or hacksaw, snap together laminate flooring, baseboard, quarter round molding. After thoroughly cleaning your subfloor, directly lay a layer of plastic sheeting to create a moisture barrier and a padded underlayment. Some laminate comes with a padded backing and only requires plastic sheeting for a moisture barrier. Tape the sheeting 2 inches above the floor onto the wall using painter's tape. If needed, use duct tape to overlap the edges of the plastic sheeting. Overlap the sheeting by 6 inches. Use small sections of the planks as spacers to hold the floor away from the wall about 1/4 inch. The spacers will help allow for expansion around the perimeter of the floor. Laminate flooring expands and contracts with changing temperatures. Place the first row snug against the spacers. Use the short trimmed section of the previous row to start the next row. This will ensure the joints between planks in a row are staggered from the joints in adjoining rows. The laminate flooring in this project has a padded backing and a wood finish. Some laminate does not have a padded backing and requires a padded underlayment. A soft rubber mallet or tapping block will save the edges from getting messed up when securing them into place. When installing the next plank in the row, lift the plank at an angle to allow it to lock in place, and tap the plank against the previous plank in the row with a hammer and tapping tool. Continue across the room until reaching the far side. Trim the last row to length so that it ends 1/4 inch from the wall. Measure and cut planks lengthwise to fit in the last row. Remove spacers around the border and install baseboards and quarter round, covering the plastic moisture barrier on the wall and gap between the wall and the flooring. Set nail heads slightly below the surface of the molding and fill with wood putty. Let putty dry, then lightly sand to make sure the surface is even. Use touch-up paint to cover the wood putty. Enjoy your new laminate flooring for years to come.